Hey guys, check out this 10-piece locking pliers set from Arrow I have here. As you can see, it comes in a nice case with the Velcro strap here and a handle to carry it all around, which is real nice. Pop this out. Nice zipper around this thing. Oh yeah, look at this. Who doesn't need this? What a useful toolkit here. All kinds of these vice grips here. Locking pliers, I like to call them vice grips. Got a nice adjustable screw right there. You can adjust the clamp on your pliers right here. And then how this works, you clamp what you need. It'll stay on there, and then when you're done, just pop this little lever, just like that. Same thing for all of them. Chrome-Molly. Nice little handle there for some extra grip. Very ergonomic, fits nice in your hand. There's some big ones here. I really like how they have this versus the traditional nut that they have in there. This is way better. It's almost like a wing nut, so you can grip it. And it's real smooth operation too. So you got all the vice grips over there. Locking pliers. Now these here are so useful. I use this kind of stuff all the time for holding stuff. Widen it up there. You can see you can adjust your gap there. And then if this one's too small, you go grab these bigger ones here. Oh yeah, these are nice. Then we have these ones here with more of a narrow face there. And you can get into small spaces too. If you need to clamp something in between there, you can do that. Clamp it, pop it off with these. Got those. Here's the next size, smaller size. Got some damaged wood trim here. I'm gonna use these clamps for repairing it. I'm just gonna put some of this wood glue in here. After I put the wood glue in there, I put these clamps on there and held it together. It's great because I can keep it under compression while it dries right there in the sun. Quick drying time. These things are also good. Let's say you get a stuck valve stem, things like that you can't get a wrench around. Well, these things are perfect for things you can't get a measured wrench around, like a crescent wrench or things like that. And these will lock on there. You know, stripped fasteners are another really good use for these things. It's really nice too because you can actually just put really light tension on what you're grabbing without squishing it. And so, see that? Just barely got enough tension on there, but yet still enough to grab what I need and twist it off. Go ahead and tighten it back on there. And I'll be operated with one hand too. All right, these things work really good for automotive use as well. So clamps like this, these hose clamps and stuff like that, you can grab onto them and clamp them just like that and move it around. And then you can leave them clamped. And that way when it stays clamped, the hose clamp will stay loose. And then you can slide it on and back off really easy. One of the cool things I love about this too, see the arc in these teeth right here and the shape of it? These ones are flatter, which is great for this application, but these, you can use it on pipe, maybe some stuck pipe or things like that. Same thing with this. So you've got flat and then some of the ones like that. So you can get pipe loose like that too. Old pipe you're taking out. And when you're done, pop that off. Overall, really happy with these, and I'm going to use it a lot and use it for years to come. Thanks for watching, everybody.